Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Google Play Store, but before, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. So as I said, let's open the Google Play Store. And another disclaimer, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to your device. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So after that, we can simply enter this circle, which is our account. So let's tap on it and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps. And to check the updates, simply tap on this option, Updates Available. And in my case, I've got 30 updates. Of course, if you want, you can update all of those apps. But if you don't want to, you can simply choose specific apps just by marking them here. So let me choose Google Chrome, maybe Assistant, and maybe Gmail. So after marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied. So of course you will use the newest versions of the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.